Let us understand the features of the LLP. The first, separate legal entity. LLP is a separate legal entity from its partner like the company. The second feature of the LLP is limited liability. The liability of the partner is limited to the extent of his contribution in the LLP. No exposure of a personal asset of the partner except in the case of a fraud. The third feature of the LLP is right to manage the business. Unlike the corporate shareholder, the partners have the right to manage the business directly. The fourth character of the LLP is perpetual succession. Like the company, it has a perpetual succession. It means the LLP has an existence no matter how many changes occur in the membership. The fifth features of the LLP is a profit motive. Remember, LLP is always formed and should be formed for the profit business. The sixth number of feature is agreement. The right and the duties of the partners in the LLP will be governed by the agreement between the parties and the partners. Partners have a flexibility to determine the agreement as per their choice, but it should be within the parameters of the LLP Act. The next feature of the LLP is that LLP is having a legal entity. Like the company, it can be sued and be sued by the others. The next feature of the LLP is a compliance. There are the minimum compliance required to be made under the LLP Act. In the case of a company, the company are required to show the related party transaction. In the case of LLP, there is no restriction for entering into the contract with the related parties. The benefit number 10 is a tax benefit. The profit will be taxed only in the hand of a LLP and not in the hands of its partner. Thus, it helps the avoiding the double taxation. The next benefit of the LLP is that the partner of the LLP can enter into the transaction and give the loan to the LLP. Remember, Section 66 of the LLP Act 2008 provide that a partner may lend the money to and transact other business with the LLP and has the same rights and obligation with respect to the loan or other transaction as a person who is not the partner. The next and the last benefit of the LLP is that contribution of the partner may be given in the installment. The LLP Act does not prevent a partner from making his contribution in an installment. However, the partner shall remain liable for the full amount that he has agreed to contribute but has not been paid up.